Well, hello there. Today I'm gonna try to sing Lascia Pianga. I should say more correctly because I just sang it by ear and apparently I made a lot of mistakes last time I sang it. So we'll do it note by note. Let's do it here, starting with F sharp here. Lascia Pianga, la dura sorte. E che sospiri la libertà. Let's repeat the notes. F sharp to G, E, A, G, F sharp, B, C sharp to D, E, A, D, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, D, D. So far so good, and it's not too hard. Then here's the third line. It goes like this. F sharp again, F sharp to D. B, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp. So, e che sospiri. This is a tough part. I sang it wrongly last time. So, do it again. E che sospiri. Then the second part. E che sospiri la libertà. So this is this part. Then we go back to Lascia Pianga, which is the similar, or actually maybe exactly the same as the first time. Let's play the chords this time, so, since we already talked about the melody. Lascia D, Pianga, E minor 7th, A, La, Dura, A7, then D sustained 4, So, then D. G, e che sospiri la libertà. So I'm gonna write the chords for you and the notes as well and put in Telegram for you. But so far we did kind of the first part, and then the music plays the same way, like. Anyway, so this part may be a little tough, but you can just play the notes or just play the chords. Then the second part I'm gonna discuss with you is the part that becomes minor and becomes B minor. Let's do that. Let's do it note by note. So F sharp to B to C sharp to A sharp to G sharp to F sharp. Let's do it again. And F sharp to B to C sharp to D to C sharp, then to D again. So it goes like this. Il in franga queste ritorte. And let's play the chords with it. B minor. In franga, F sharp queste ritorte. Back to B minor. Now let's do another line here. Then here we start with D to E. So it goes to C sharp, to B, E, G sharp, A. So it goes di miei martiri. Let's do it. Di miei martiri. Then after that, sol per pietasi, which is G sharp to A, B, B, A to B, to C sharp, to F or E sharp, you should say, to F sharp. I meant E sharp. E sharp, same as F. In this scale, you have to call it. You have to call F E sharp because the F is already sharp. So when you have an F, you have to call it E sharp. Anyways, and I think there is one more line I want to discuss with you, and after that, that's pretty much it. As I said, the second part of the song, they do the same thing. It's just that they improvise a little bit, and I don't want to get too much into that right now. Okay, so the last line is like this. De mie martiri. Let's do it again. D, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, C sharp, E sharp or F, you can call it. Then after that, sol per pietà, B, A, G sharp, then F sharp. So good. De mie martiri, sol per pietà, de mie martiri, sol per pietà. And the chords I use: B minor, C sharp 7, and F minor. And I think this is a good introduction to the song, and I'm going to use this practice for myself to go over it and make sure I hit the right notes. I found it for people like me who learn things by listening and also improvise a lot. It's really tough to sing the exact song because we are used to improvising. We are used to just hearing songs and kind of do it the way that we like it. And unfortunately, I have to now, I shouldn't say suffer, but I have to go through looking at the notes and singing songs now that I wanted to do some classical songs. I hope this is useful to some of you. It's useful for me. I share it anyways, in case anybody wants to learn this song, and this may help them a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it.